Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today I am going to be re-attempting a technique I saw on the Massey Art Studio channel, the grenade pour. Now I took the plunge and got some of these jumbo push pins. What I did last time was I just used small push pins and I put them near the top of the cup, but that becomes the bottom of the cup when you flip it over. So this time I'll put it here at the now bottom of the cup, which will become the top when I flip it over. One other thing is I saw when the video I watched from Jeremy, he didn't actually put a base, but then I watched another one with Lee they're both from Massey Art, and Lee did put a base, so I may try putting a base. Now this push pin wants to knock my cup over, so I'm going to start putting paint in here, and let's just have some fun. So I'm using all Mixed Media Girl pouring paints, and I'm using a bunch of warm colors. Hopefully that stays. Okay, good. So I've got white, red, which I put those right next to each other, so that'll probably make a pink. And I've got a copper here. And then I'm going to use some Golden Sun. So I've got a few metallics. And then let's use, I have a little bit of Merlot, which is a really, really, really deep red. And I'm going to use a little royal purple. Okay, and then some cardinal red. Kind of trying to decide these colors as I go, actually. A little more white. Some Inferno orange. And top it off with a little bit of Razzle Dazzle here, I think. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Maybe a dash more white. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit of white down here for a base. Yes, my gloves are too big. And then I'm going to flip this into that white. Here. I don't have a lot of white left. I'm just going to spread this around a little bit. And boom. Okay. So it was a pretty full cup, so I didn't get the cleanest flip, but that's okay. I'm going to let that sit there for just a second while I move everything here out of the way, and then we'll pull out the grenade and we'll have some fun. Okay. So I'm going to pull out this pin, and in theory now this should lift up. Boom. So that's what was supposed to happen the last time. All right. Now, just like a normal flip cup, you can just pull this up and tilt, but I'm actually going to lip it a little bit, which means as I pull up, I'm going to kind of run the lip of the cup through it and just kind of add a little bit more to my design there. This, I can already tell, is going to be amazing. It's already super exciting. And then just, it's tilting time. That's what the Massey Art boys always say on their channel. So if you haven't checked out Massey Art yet, please, please check them out. They are so close to 10,000 subscribers at the time of this video. So let's show them some love and help them out. And for anyone wondering, I do have a Lowly Vefe silicone mat under here, which is catching all these drips and runoff. And I use that in other projects. If you're wondering what kind of projects, you can always just search on YouTube, Mixed Media Girl Acrylic Skins, and it'll pull up a whole bunch of videos. That looks awesome. That is so much fun. There's so many different effects happening here. It's crazy. Like just the lacing and this crazy stone effect kind of over here, and cells, and so much fun. So let's go ahead and bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, so starting over here, lower right hand corner, just check out all of these amazing effects. Now that Golden Sun color that I have, it does produce some crazy cells and reactions. So I think kind of a lot of that is from that one color probably. but also the white is pretty decent with lacing. And just all the colors together work very well. So lots of sparkle here. And such a fun technique. I'm glad that I gave it another go. I did like the last one, but it just wasn't totally correct. So I wanted to make sure I got it down properly. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please check down in the description for all of the materials, and please check out the Massy Art channel and show them some love. Tell them Mixed Media Girl sent you. I'll see you all next time.